In this video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate pages and content in Squarespace. So in order to do that, we first need to head over right here into our actual site dashboard. Head over and click on this website option. Click onto these pages, and it will show you in here all of the pages that you currently have. For example, let's try to duplicate right here this events page. To duplicate it, proceed to click onto this arrow. Now it should be able to open right here this part. So make sure to actually head over and then use it. You can also utilize in here this gear icon, and from in there you can see its general page, site page, and when you scroll down further, you can see this duplicate page option. Click on this duplicate page, click on confirm, and after that, as you can see, it's added right here under the not linked option. It's named as a copy, so you can proceed to rename it into what page you would want right here. So that's how you duplicate pages and content in Squarespace. Hope we help.